launches correctly, because once these smart contracts are launched, you really can't stop them and do the corrections that you might find later. So as they're finding things, they're delaying, making sure everything's right. They're getting the background set up with what attorneys are going to have the keys, so that no one person has control of any funds. They're doing the smart contract audit. That was done a while ago, but they're still kind of last minute doing it. Seems like they're doing a lot of different DDoS attacks to see if that would cause any problems. Just normal things that you do, but the last thing that they were doing was the wallets. People were using incorrect unsupported wallets, so it was erroring out the smart contract. So they were trying to reach everyone, and it's even more difficult because it's a worldwide launch, so there's people in all different time zones. Should they have known which wallet to use? Yeah, sure, of course, but there's other people that are coming in that aren't crypto friendly. They might be leaders in normal, face-to-face MLMs and things like that, where they're not used to wallets or crypto. So I think that's a lot of it that may have happened as well. But end story, it looks like it's going to be launching here within the next 24 hours. Everything I'm reading seems like it's almost ready to roll. So just kind of keep up. If you want to put your notifications on, I'm going to pop a notification as soon as it's ready. I'll have the sign up link to be posted underneath all the DAISY videos that I did so far, and in the Telegram group and the Facebook page as well. So as soon as I know anything and the links are actually live, I will definitely let everyone know, so you guys can get in as early as possible, so you guys can get the most benefit for all the other people that will be rushing to get into this contract. It looks like it's going to be a really big launch. So we'll see how it goes. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.